All right, testing peanut butter marshmallow fudge. Got my chocolate chips. I don't know if this recipe is going to work. Okay, my 1 cup, 2 cups of peanut butter. And I don't know that I have enough, so let me just fill this jar. Okay, I'm going to melt this together and test it. So now, our marshmallows. Oops. And chocolate chips. All right, if you want more easy 2-ingredient chocolate, or fudge, not chocolate, well, there's chocolate, but fudge recipes, check out my 99 Dime Volume 2. That's where the original set of recipes is. I have since come up with a whole lot more. I'm gonna take some extra marshmallows just for decoration. Sprinkle them on top. All right, we're gonna let that set up in the fridge. And then we're going to see if this works. I sure hope so. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. My fudge is done, I think. Now, I have no idea if this is going to work. Well, seems fairly... Ooh. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Let's see how... Oh, that's cutting fairly good. You know, this one's just going to be bigger pieces. Okay, now the real test will come tomorrow. Oops. Yep, this one's a winner. 10 out of 10. Yay.